Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to use the measurement mode within the 3D mode on the Vacasa application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 100,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone, select the home that you want to check out in 3D mode, click on the 3D icon in the right side corner of the picture at the top. Here you can see the dollhouse, and as you tap on the fourth option, which is the measurement mode, tap on the plus icon down below. You should press and hold to add your starting point, and then you should drag to edit the current point so that you can measure. Here you can see the measurement. Here you have this point measured. Tap on the check mark icon down below and you can start over the measuring process. So you can measure any kind of pieces of furniture or basically anything within the house. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.